KidsVision TV.
Hi kids, today we're drawing a house. Let's draw with me.
Subscribe us for more videos.
Let's draw a door. Let's draw a window. Let's draw a flower. Let's draw a tree. Let's draw a flower. Orange color. Brown color. Pink color. I am coloring in house. Let's color in door. Yellow color. Let's color in window. Sky blue color. Dark blue color. Red color. I am coloring in flower. Now I am coloring in tree. Let's color with me. Now I am coloring in little flower. I am coloring in green ground. Let's color with me. I love to draw.
Subscribe us for more videos.